I'm hoping that divine guides me and makes me a vessel so I can share my gifts to the world. I'm muddy. My name is Chef Gabe and I'm going to make you a butternut squash soup with mud. 2 medium-sized butternut squashes. I'm gonna get this guy out. So on we go. Up until it's kind of like orangey. We have both of our butternut squashes peeled. Cut them in half. And then a little trick here. I don't toss the seeds. I get them out and then I roast them in the oven. And then it becomes my garnish for my soup. The smaller that you dice, the quicker it will cook. So like here, I'll go like small little pieces. Alrighty. We have 1 can of coconut cream. We have 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. And here's 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Lemon, which that's what's gonna make it taste. All right, let's get cooking, guys. Our water is boiling. Now we're gonna heavily salt the water. Butternut squash time. No rush here, guys. We don't wanna get burned with this boiling water. This is gonna probably take around 15 minutes. So we're gonna give it a little bit of a give. Poke it a little bit, and then it's super soft and delicious, ready to blend. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the cooking liquid, to probably about like halfway, probably like half of that in liquid. Look at that, and that's not even done. We're gonna just add the other ingredients, and that's it. Our half of cup of maple, can of coconut cream, then we're gonna do our tablespoon of cinnamon. The final mud. Like this guy. And we're good to go. I'm really gonna do it.